Today we're going to be looking at recycling versus composting. Now, these are the two green methods of disposing of an item, and while items such as plastic should obviously be recycled and food should be composted, some materials such as paper can be both recycled and composted. And so today we're going to be discussing the pros and cons of recycling and composting, and also what to do with the most common materials. Now, to start off, we're going to be looking at paper. Recycling paper reduces the need for virgin trees to be cut down, and less resources and energy will be needed to put into making new paper, such as water, as well as the energy that obviously is used to make paper. However, recycling also consumes energy and resources, so there is a drawback. Composting, on the other hand, is great if the paper is soiled from food or paint, as it then cannot be recycled, and on its own consumes no energy. However, producing new paper will. The same is true for cardboard. Recycling it reduces the need for resources such as trees, water, and etc. However, it also takes energy to recycle. Composting uses no energy. However, resources must then be used for more cardboard to be produced. Now, one common use of cardboard are pizza boxes, which cannot be recycled if they have grease stains and thus should be composted. Now, in conclusion, recycling and composting both have their pros and cons, and therefore you should dispose based off of your own personal beliefs. For example, if you hate cutting down trees, then maybe you should recycle. But if you're all for carbon neutral, then maybe you should compost. However, whatever you choose, just remember that it is better than throwing something away in the trash. Please post any questions in the comment section, and check out our other articles about both composting and recycling. Thank you very much.